Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. Wanted to do a full update here. It's a pretty crucial day, even though the next week is obviously not going to be that exciting. I mean, there's going to be movement for sure, certainly, but XRP itself, and if you take a look at the volume across the board right now, first of all, it's very low, so then we're most likely not going to get volatility. We're not going to get real moves that will actually set up some sort of an uptrend. However, after the week we had last week, which all of you know was quite volatile, was quite bearish, it is still key to actually see with the opening of this week what the market thinks about Dogecoin. All right, because obviously what we have done so far with Dogecoin, kind of to refresh your mind, is we found a strong bottom right here between 30 and 27.5 cents. Drop down a bit lower, but ultimately that is the key level that held. And now what we need to do, and we already talked about that in the last 2 days as well, we need to actually confirm that this is the bottom and that we will not drop down to our next support level right here, which is more towards 25 and 22.5 cents. So therefore, the next 2 days, which is, Monday and Tuesday, I think we actually still have some trading. Then Wednesday, the markets are closed. And then Thursday and Friday, the markets are open. But I don't expect a lot of movement then. Or at least Monday and Tuesday, I expect more, especially after a week like we had last week. I expect more movement than on Thursday and Friday, right after Christmas. So right now what you can see is that Dogecoin had a nice move here from the support level. From 30 cents, we had a move of about 16%. Good reaction. Now we have dropped down. I don't necessarily like the reaction at the first glance, all right? Because it's quite logical that after a week like last week that you don't have a fee reversal, right? So that we don't go all the way up to 39 cents again. It's normal, but I would have expected that if you take a look at the 382 fib here, that would have held. And we did respect that level initially, but ultimately we dropped down lower to the 0.5 fib. I would say this is not amazing, but as long as we're holding this level here at especially 30 cents, I think 30 cents, when we're being specific, like 29.5, 30 cents, that's the main level that needs to hold. If we're going to be able to hold that level, then I think this is the local bottom. And that doesn't necessarily mean that the bottom will hold, but then at least we can have some movement like this. Where we consolidate on top of that. And from that consolidation, things are possible, all right? From that consolidation, we can get a move up to 39 cents. And if Bitcoin actually decides to get a little bit more bullish, or if the Bitcoin dominance starts to get bearish, then we can also start talking about the high 40s and 50 cents, perhaps even, which I do still expect later on down the line in 2025. Feels weird to say that. So that is the main question. Will we be able to hold 30 cents, 29.5 cents? And honestly, it's also a little bit up to you to keep an eye on that. Because like I said, volume has dropped down a lot. It's going to be volatile. I think it's most likely that Dogecoin, we might actually spike down lower, but I do think we'll hold this level. So therefore, I do expect that this is most likely, right? So that we'll be able to consolidate on top of 30 cents and between like 35 and 30 cents. And from that consolidation, we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. So I do think it's most likely, but you should 100% be prepared for the move down into 25 cents. And personally, I would not trade Dogecoin in the next week at all. There's no sign right now. Like some meme coins are quite strong this morning. Dogecoin very much is not in that category. Or at least it's not correlating to memes that much anymore, which is a good thing because meme coins have fallen a lot in the last week. But that also means that right now there's no volume, there's no narrative, there's no momentum coming in for Dogecoin. So do I expect that we will hold our support? Yes, it was very well defended last week as well. But do I expect a bullish Dogecoin? No. I'll keep you updated on that. If I do expect it tomorrow, you'll know. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday and bye.